I've been zoning, I've been zoning.
What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the MoJo Ninja Garage. And man, y'all already know what time it is, dog. We about to get into another install, man. You know, I can't stop putting stuff on the car, man. You know, if y'all a gearhead like I am, man, y'all love to tinker with things, change things. Hey, that's why we do what we do here, man. So like I said before, last video we did the rear diffuser, right? So I was thinking, I said, well, you know what, man, instead of jumping around way too much, I said, let's go ahead and stay in the same area and let's put on something else for the exterior of the car, but on the rear of the car. So I'm pretty sure y'all could guess what that is. So let me grab it over here. Boom. We got the HT Autos rear spats. That's basically what they are. Now these are different than the Icon Motorsports, but it's a reason why I chose certain things that I have coming for the car still, and it's just because I was concerned about mud flaps and things interfering with the mud flaps and me having to modify stuff too much. So I didn't want to have to do that. But these, they pretty much cut off right at where the mud flaps are located at, so I don't have to touch anything, and it's pretty much, it touches like right up against the mud flap. So it's almost like it's support for the mud flap as well, but I don't have to modify or change anything there, so that is a plus. Now what I say about the quality of these things, look, they got the logo right there, HT Autos. It's a UK company. When they sent these to me, they what did they send it with? Okay, yeah, they sent it with this right here, not that. So basically it comes with some pop clips. Let's open this bag up real quick. If I can open it up. It's ninja proof. All right, so here we go. It comes with four large pop clips and then four screw type pop clips. So looking at this, these holes right here, they should line up with the pop clips that are, excuse me, already underneath the car, and then there's some extra ones there, and it looked like there's a spot here for some self tappers. Now the kit didn't come with them, but the last video I wound up not using these, and these are pretty much 10 by 3/4 8-inch a number 8 head black self tappers. You know, the code, I got these at Ace. You know, the code on these is 3142-P, and they were like 85 cents each. So this is an opportunity for me to use these, so I'm gonna go ahead and throw these into the mix. It's only there's two places you can put these at. These are already pre-done up holes. There's one right here and one on the end right here. I'll show you how all of that's gonna go in here in a minute. But another thing that I want to talk about with these is when they sent these things, I believe, because this one, you can look, if you can tell, if you look at them, one is straight and the other one is not. So this one's gonna have to, it's gonna take some convincing to get in there to go in there right. So, which is the reason why I have my heat gun on the table. So I'm going to try and heat this plastic up a little bit and put it on the car and see if I can get it to conform the way I want it to. And once I have it in place and the plastic material is soft enough, it'll conform the way I want it to, and then whenever it cools off, it'll stay the way it's supposed to be. So what I'm also going to do, just for extra security and putting it on there, is I'm gonna put some, that's why I got this double-sided tape out. I'm gonna put some double-sided tape right here just to keep it secure in there. So I'm gonna kind of line it down here and then right there and then right there as well. I don't know, I may need to come along the edge. I don't think I'll need them. I may not even need it, you know what I'm saying? So I don't know if I'm gonna do it or not. So this one I'm gonna have to mess with. So what I'm gonna do with this one is I'm gonna put this one on, see how it fits as it is, because I know if I put double-sided tape on here, it's gonna push it further away from the car, so it may not fit in there flush the way I want it to. So I'm gonna try it without it first, and then I'll let y'all know if I do decide to go with the double-sided tape. But let's go ahead and let's go. We're gonna start with the driver's side. So like I was saying before, I put a light on here to get it a little bit brighter in here. With these 3 pop clips, we're gonna wind up taking these out. So let's go ahead and get started on that. So we're gonna pop these off. All right, it's pretty nasty in there. So now we got those out. Wipe it down a little bit. And let's fit this on here. So there it's supposed to, you can see right there. And there, and then at the back over there. That's one. This one in here. Put this one over here. Where this one should go. There we go. That's good, and that's good. Woo! Man, it was pretty hard to get up in there, man. All right, so here we go. So this is with it on there. I had to hammer that bad boy in there to get it to go. But I guess it would not have been a good idea to put any sort of 3M tape on there, because it would have made the distance that much further, which would have made it harder to get those pop clips in without having to replace them with new ones. Plus, it's got somewhat of a little gap in there, as you can see right there. But I think actually right here it fits really good right there. Yeah, it fits good there. And right here is where a little gap is. So what I'm going to do is I'll probably put some self tappers right there to kind of close that gap right there. And then put the two self tappers in, one right there in this spot, and then the other one I'll put right there. Keep that in place. This, it's like hardly not even a gap, it's just a gap right there. So I figure a self tapper right here in between these two spots should do the trick. All right, let's go on with these. So I'm gonna go on with these ones that actually have the holes here for it. So right there. All right. This one's gonna take some persuasion here. Let me pull this out again. Probably should have did a little pilot hole in this thing first and then put this in there. So originally what I should have did is I should have did a little pilot hole. I had to use a razor blade to kind of scrape that out of there. So let me do this. There we go. Now let's try and thread this guy in there. And there we go. We got him all installed. So let's take a look at it. That is what we are looking like. Pretty good fitment there. Turn that off. The glare is messing me up here, but see, there it is. That's how it fits. All the way around there. Does not look half bad. Looks really good. We're gonna have to pull it outside and see it in the light. It's been raining and stuff, so let me I'm gonna go ahead and knock out the other side, and we'll see if we can pull the car out and see what it looks like. So I'm gonna put y'all on the time lapse, and y'all can kind of watch me go through the whole process on the other side, which is gonna be a little extra because I'm gonna have to heat that thing up because it's slightly bent. But let's go ahead and get on that. All right, everybody. Well, that's it for this install, man. This is what it looks like in the sun. No gaps. Looks pretty good back there. Look at that, man. Along with the rear diffuser. It looks good. I like it. So, again, appreciate everybody for taking the time out to watch the video, man. Appreciate the hell out of y'all, man. And make sure you like, subscribe, hit that bell notification so you get notified whenever I put out a video, and your boy will see y'all on the next video. Peace.